नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आकांक्षा और आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल केसी एस्ट्रोलॉजी पर, जहाँ हम बात करेंगे स्मॉल हैबिट्स की जो आप चेंज कर सकते हैं बेसिस द पोजीशन इन योर चार्ट दैट विल हेल्प यू मेक मोर मनी. Actually, astrology is completely about science, and science works how planets are affecting your life. So we will talk about number two, which is sign of Taurus, and we will talk about the placement of Taurus in your chart. With that small change, you can activate your Taurus in that particular sign, and if Taurus will be activated, your second house will be activated, which is sign of finances, which is house of finances, and that will help you earn more money, right? So let's start. You all know how a chart look like, I'm assuming, otherwise I will also put it on my screen to check. And here in the center it's number one house. So if it is Taurus placed in first house, what it means? It means Taurus is placed in the house of your body, soul and mind. Simple. आपने छोटा सा चेंज करना है विच इज विद रिस्पेक्ट टू योर हेल्थ. सो यू हैव टू लुक गुड, you have to eat well, you have to work for your mental health, which is meditation, and you have to go to maybe gym or do something which improves your physical health, depending uh what kind of physique you have, what kind of lifestyle you have. You can take your call and you can start working immediately, and in 41 days, if you will continuously doing small physical exercises, meditations, and if you will keep working on yourself, which means you can work on your like physical appearance also, you can look good, and Taurus will be activated, which will help you increase in your finances, increase your money, increase your saving, and increase ROI on your investments. Then number two is sign of Taurus. If Taurus is placed in Taurus, again, it's a wonderful placement, number one. But what you have to do, it's a sign of saving also. So what you have to do, you have to continuously saving a small amount of money so that it can turn into a big wealth. So आपने कुछ नहीं करना, regularly keep a regular interval to invest money. It can be a very small amount also. It can be a gullak also, and you can put some like 10, 15 rupees on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, or quarterly basis, or you can go for SIPs. You can select the SIP, the smallest of amount like 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 500 rupees. You can go for like maybe 10,000 investment quarterly. Just fix a fixed a tenure and then start doing it regularly. Try it for 41 days or 41 weeks or 41 months and see the differences. Your finances will immediately start making changes, and you will see your ROI is growing. That will help you in long run with a great wealth creation. It's a very simple technique. Number three. Number three house is house of siblings, house of neighbors, so and house of communication as well. So if your number two, your Taurus, is placed in house number three, then you have to keep connecting with your neighbors on a regular. That's the most simplest thing. Whenever you are going out, just greet them and then move on. If you are living far from your siblings, just stay in touch with them, keep calling them. There are so many people who keeps telling these small things that you can talk to your sibling on a daily basis, or you can touch their feet and then move out of home if you can. So but at least you can stay in touch with your sibling over the call even, or you can stay connected with your neighbors, start greeting them on a regular basis. Whenever you meet them during the week, just do it regularly. If you are regularly doing this, that will make changes in your finances. Your income will start increasing, your ROI will start increasing, or your investment. So this is again a very simple habit you can make changes about. Number four is house of your mother, house of your home, house of your vehicle. So आपने बहुत सिंपल सी चीज करनी है. अगर आपके पास गाड़ी है, उसे आपने कॉन्टिन्यूस इंटरवल पे सर्विस कराना है या साफ करना है. जस्ट मेक अ डे दैट ऑन संडे आई विल क्लीन माई कार. Doesn't matter how deeply you are doing it, but do it for yourself. Number two, if you are living far from your home, just set a special time or special day or special occasion when you will be going home, and you have to go home on that day. Have to, in the sense, if you are thinking that I will go on Diwali, then you have to visit every Diwali. If you are thinking that I will be going home on the weekends, if you are living, somewhere around the city, then go home. And at least you should keep in touch with your mom on a regular basis. Stay connected with her, make a call every day or every alternate date, but just set a frequency and do it continuously to see the changes in your finances. Very simple habit. Then number five is about education, your love life, your children's. So again, you have to do very, very small things, which are, again, if you have children, stay connected with them on a regular interval, just like for both house you are doing for your mother, right? In the same way, you can stay connected with your children, or you can start reading novels or some education things, or you know start looking for small change, because it's a house of entertainment also. You have to be continuous with your entertainment also. So it can be like you can go to park every day if you like it. If you love to listen songs, then you have to go for it. It's your entertainment. Then go for some concerts on every alternate, or once in a month. It will help you increase wisdom. Just imagine, like, it's a absolutely great thing if you have Taurus in your fifth house. So it's an amazing combination that you can spend more time with your lover, and that will increase your finances. You can do whatever you want for your entertainment, and that will increase your finances. Or you can just study and enhance your education and enhance your knowledge, and again it will help you increase your finances. And these are small changes which you can easily make in your life. Then number six is this house of service. So if you are a job going person, then again it makes sense, right? If you are continuously going to your job, you are earning money from that. It's the exactly same. So if your Taurus is placed in sixth house, then if you are an employee, you are anyway going to the job. But to increase the amount, to increase the pay, to increase the ROI of your investment, what you can do? You can do services. What kind of service? Service of nature. Service of nature means you can adopt a tree. Not necessarily to go and adopt a tree in adoption process and from an NGO. No, you can do one simple thing, which is just select a plant on your street, or in any park, just water it on a daily basis. That's a very simple thing you can do. Then you can feed to these stray animals, stray dogs, to the cow, and any animal which you find on the street. You can do it. Like, having a pet is a different, I should say, a different kind of commitment. But when you do it for stray animals, it's a service. It counted as a service. You don't have to go to a specific place or an NGO. If you can't make that thing on a continuous basis, so then you can select that आप कुछ ऐसा करो जो आप रेगुलरली कर सकते हो. रेगुलर में आप एक वो प्लांट को वाटर करना इज द इजीएस्ट वे. और जस्ट feed the stray dogs, or feed the any animal you found on the way. Just make it a regular practice on a daily basis. Keep something with yourself, feed the animals, that's it. Or just put some water, keep a water bottle with yourself. Select a plant that I will definitely plant this tree or plant this particular plant over a street, or nearby your office, or anywhere you find it. Just make it a habit, and it will make changes in your life. It will make wonder for you. Number seven. Seventh house is of your spouse. So if your Taurus is placed in number seven, you have to stay connected with your spouse. Just stay connected. Stay connected means definitely you're meeting them on a daily basis, but make a time for your for yourself where you can sit and talk about the day. If you will start talking about your day on a daily basis, that will make changes, that will make wonder to your finances. Number eight. Number eight is of your in-laws. So you can stay connected with your in-laws, but it's a very specific house. It is related to cremation ground as well. So if your Taurus is placed in eighth house, you can do a very, very special remedy. It is simple, but and it is but yes, I can understand few people cannot do that. But still you can try. You can go to Nigambod or any ghat where cremation is happening. You can donate money there or you can offer service there. So I can understand females can't go there, but they can offer some help, like in terms of clothes, in terms of words, or in terms of providing, key, whatever is required for cremation. And for male members, they can go and they can help cremating the bodies which are coming there, which are of anonymous nature, and people which are not able to be identified so far. So you can do that and it will help you create your wealth. Then nine. Number nine is house of your guru, house of your teacher, house of your father. So, and house of spirituality as well. So if you are reading Ramayana or Mahabharata or any sahitya or you are meditating, then it will help you with activation of your Taurus. Number two, you can always stay connected with your teacher. If you are in school, if you are in college, or if you are in a place where you believe somebody is your mentor, then you can touch their feet, you can greet them, you can stay connected with them over call, and that will help you. And you have to do it on a regular basis. That will help you create your wealth. Then number 10. Number 10 is very, very important house. And if there is Taurus placed in it, it's amazing. It's amazing because it's the house of your business. Just has to be disciplined about your business and about your job. If you are working, go on time. Just go on time, be regular, and that will make, a very great employee definitely, and it will help increase your salary as well. It will help increase your investments as well. It will help increase your savings as well. If you have a business, shutter उठाने का time और shutter गिराने का time should be very specific, and you have to be extra disciplined for that. If you are disciplined, it will make wonder for you. You have to be just regularly going there on time, no leaves, no indiscipline, and it will create wonders for you. 11 number. 11 number represents friends. Again, placement of Taurus in number 11, amazing. You can meet your friends if you are regularly connecting your friends. It will help increase your wealth, money, savings. And now, if you are an introvert and you don't want to go out, you don't want to meet people a lot, or just because of one reason that you don't want to step out of the house, then yes, because number Taurus is ruled by Venus and they love comfort, do one thing. Stay connected with them on what they call over the social media. Keep liking their post. Keep in touch with them. Stay connected, and that will make wonderful. Number 12. Number 12 is sign of Moksha, isolation, and expenses. Expenses can be in two forms. It's not basically expenses, it's about giving of money. You can give money in two ways, in a good way, donation and investments. So if you are donating any small amount on a regular basis, that will help create your wealth. That will help create your saving and your war chest. Number two, investment. You just have to make small investments. Again, just like number two, when your Taurus is placed in number two, you have to do small savings, right? In invest, you have to make small investments. Small investment can be anything. Just go on any app, buy digital gold, buy digital silver, or you can make small, like you can do FD of 1,000 rupees every month, or 1,000 rupees every other month, every alternate month. You can do whatever you want. It can be small changes. There shouldn't be any change which you can't do on a regular basis. You have to pick anything which you can do on a regular basis, and anything regular will make wonder for your savings, your money, and your financial. You can try these hacks, these remedies, and whatever you want to say it for 41 straight days, 41 weeks, 41 months, as you are keeping your frequency